So maybe we can hand out something else for Halloween besides candy. Maybe you're having a Halloween party and you want to have a giveaway. Well, what about some cool hotel keychains? Maybe even if we splattered some blood on them after we finished, they might be a great little spooky giveaway to those little kids that come to your house or maybe your friends. Tonight, we're going to be making a Bates Motel keychain.
Yes, Mr. Lowry.
Carolyn, Marion still isn't in?
No, Mr. Lowry, but then she's always a bit late on Monday mornings.
Call her sister. No one's at. Oh, wait a minute.
First thing I want to do is add some low-tack masking tape over this piece of red acrylic I just spray painted 5 minutes ago. It's very important to have low tack. Okay? So I'm going to paint this over. You can see that already it comes back without messing with the spray paint that was just done. Using blue tape won't work. It's too strong. Using regular masking tape won't work. This goes for the same for leather. I'm linking the masking tape below. It has to do with airbrush tape for masking, doing fine automobile work. So we're moving towards getting this thing done. This needed to be a loop or not a path. So I'm going to go to path, outline, stroke. So now I'm all done. I'm going to file, re-export everything. Export for screens. Select SVG, export, replace. Now go back to my Laser app. And then I am going to upload a whole new file. I threw away the other one. Looks like this one was done. And then I am waiting for it to come in. I drag it over. And the engraving happens first, and then I'm going to cut. So now I'm ready to go. I'm just going to drag it down. Okay, send it over to the laser cutter, but I have to tell you that I'm not really happy with the settings. I think they could have been faster. Went ahead and painted it white. I was thinking maybe that I should add a lot. Now I'm thinking about doing dry brush. It was a little bit too much wasted paint. So I'm taking it back over to my work area. I'm thinking things are going pretty good. I did the heat gun, but I actually think that made it worse. I think the whole problem, just like all my videos I have, I think I needed to wait for everything to dry longer. Making a video really makes me impatient, and I think if I were to have waited, everything would have not got scratched. Another thing is, if I would have used a thinner piece of acrylic, I wouldn't have bent this metal ring. But all in all, the file is ready, rocked and loaded, worked down below. Use 1/8 inch acrylic so you don't have to do these rings. I know I need to get my nails done, but I don't spend money on haircuts and nails. I only spend it on power tools. Anyways, whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Take care. Peace. I hope you have an awesome Halloween.